To calibrate the media sensor, the side door should be closed. Press and hold the button on the sensor. The LED will turn off and then back on. Move the stock against the door. The LED will blink. When there is no stock loaded, the LED will be off. This indicates the sensor is calibrated correctly. With laminate installed and the sensor cap removed, turn the small screw on the sensor until the LED on the back of the sensor turns off. When laminate is not installed, the LED will be on. Once laminate is applied, the LED will turn off. When laminate is not used, make sure the cap is installed. If the LED is on, the press will not operate.